don't miss out on yourself and just keep giving out the things which you have in your mind. So hey guys, myself Ishan Gupta, and you guys may have known me from the recent covers videos which I have posted, no matter how big or strong the audience is. And I'm an MBBS intern, by the way. So I just want to talk about the process of creating and putting it out to the world. Like many people, you guys right now, maybe doom scrolling and scrolling through reels. I am also doing the same, to be honest. But this video is just a gentle reminder for you and me that it's better to create something, because you know what, men are always built for some purpose. Like in earlier times, men used to go to war and they find purpose in the war. But like nowadays, many people do not have a purpose. I mean, we all as a community make a purpose and should work towards it, and that can give us sense of achievement or sense of satisfactory results we can get, and we'll get fulfilled by the pleasure it gives us that we have fucking achieved something. You know what, I just want to say, when you watch something, you can also do that too. When you see some reels, some videos, you also have immense talent, you also have immense potential. Just put it out to the world. Maybe some guys are there, maybe like you and me, who are just waiting for the chances to be seen by the people, to be heard by the people. You are also one of them. So don't miss out on yourself and just keep giving out the things which you have in your mind. Like I know many of my friends who guys know very well poetry, who writes like shairis, but they are so much shy to put it out in the world. Like what will happen if this goes that, if something goes bad, if someone mocks them, if someone bullies them about their shairis or about their writings. I just want to say that it's not about who bullies them, it's about the courage it takes to put out something in the world. Many people are not even confident enough to post it out. Like right now, myself, I'm just posting out because I myself am not confident enough, but still I am doing this for the sake of my mental clarity, my sense of achievement, that I am not shy enough, I am courageous enough to say and speak what I want to say. And about YouTube, I just keep on posting. You guys also just see this video. I don't know what this crap I made of. Just see this video and just realize this. Basically my point is, just keep on posting some content, whatever it is. Okay, at least when no one ever sees this, you at the end of your life, maybe whenever you want to recollect your memories, whenever you want to see your good memories, you put what we put on social media is basically good memories. We don't put sad memories. There are very less people who actually come out and say some sad memories. So why don't you just put it out on social medias and content like YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and when you look back at time and then see it as when times you were happy, you will feel less demotivated. You will see how cheerful were you at some times, and also what were your good moments and with whom. Okay, so you will also realize the importance of those peoples again, and you sure should connect to the friends and families. And okay, so peace out. I guess this is enough for today. And okay, so I will make some more covers in the meantime while I'm studying and doing my duties. You guys also do your work, whatever it is. Just make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, bye.